In this class we will learn how to insert planes and axes, which serve as a reference for the creation of geometries, and are very important for the creation of sketches and solids. Open the file available in the class and let's get started. When none of the plans and axes of the origin folder meets us, we can create references according to our need. To create plans, in the 3D Model tab we click on Work Plane. Now, by clicking on a flat face, keeping the click and dragging, see that we can enter a distance for inserting the new plan and confirm. Still with this command, by clicking on two edges, we have a plan created intercepting them. If we click on a cylindrical face, for example, note that we need to enter one more reference to create the plane, such as a point or edge. To delete a plan, simply select it in the graphic area or in the browser and press delete. Clicking on this arrow, we have several options for creating plans. By clicking this option, see how easy it is to create a plane between two faces by selecting them as desired. With this option, we indicate an edge and a face, and then specify the desired angle for the new plane. With this option, see how we easily insert a plane tangent to a cylindrical face, using an edge as a complementary reference. Now we will learn how to create axes by activating the Work Axis command. To insert an axis in the center of a cylindrical profile or in the center of a hole, we click on the edge or cylindrical face, C. We can insert an axis by going through 2 points, activating the command and clicking on the desired points. We finished this class here, where we saw how to create plans and axes. Explore the other options for creating these references and specialize in using Inventor.